Okay, we're back. I'm on 189. It just turned off. I just went around Lake Arrowhead on 173. And I made a right. And then we went on North Shore. And I came up here to like a three-way and I made a right. This is 189. Hopefully this will take us up. It gets narrow in some spots. You got to take it real potholes and there's snow berms are collapsing. And in some places it's one lane. Around Arrowhead, it's pretty good. The 173. Oh, Jesus. It's pretty good. You know, two lanes wide with even a little shoulder. Yeah, there's Deer Lodge Park, North Shore. Yeah, that's where I just came around. We're going to go up to Twin Peaks. See how it's kind of collapsing. They might have shoved that out there out of that driveway. There's a red flag, probably marking a address. I went up 189. God, was it Friday when me and Pete were over here? Halfway up. I went up to just get a text through to his wife. I guess they call that Top Town. I need to have somebody educate me on Top Town. Yeah, so you got loaders moving here. He's answering his phone there. Stop the answer. He's probably got requests for the rest of the day. The guy I'm waiting on, Jeremy, he's got a skid steer. He broke his hub on his trailer. I'm waiting on him. We're going to go try and clear out a elderly couple's driveway in Cedar Pines Park. I think I need to get over there and scope that out. That's where I'm heading. And, because he's got a trailer, we got to figure out where he can unload that. Friday, Pete unloaded right there at Hortensia's, right down east of Hortensia's. There's a little turnout. That's where it looked like several guys had unloaded right there. Oh, that guy's still buried right there. Oh, bottles. God. Jesus. Guy just got new front tires. That feeding the crap out of them. My front end's getting loose. Let me fix the camera. My front end's getting loose too. I got underneath the truck yesterday. I took a down day, did some laundry, and fixed the headlight. And I thought I had something broke underneath. It almost sounded like a muffler broke, but everything looks good. But it is really hard on the vehicles up here. Twin Peaks now. A lot of snow melt. I was in Running Springs earlier and a lot of snow melt. That's an Orange County fire guy there. Probably coming up to help out. I need to figure out, I need to get to line. Actually, what I should do is pull up the address that Terry gave me for her parents' place and start working my way over there. I know where I'm at now. Yeah, I was over here the other day. This is where I turned around. In fact, oh, I was gonna pull in there, but that's a driveway. Was that a driveway too? I need to pull in here and load her parents' address. Give me a minute here. Oh, Terry says Lake Arrowhead. I thought it was Cedar Pines Park. What am I thinking? Arrowhead. Yeah, I probably just drove by it. Oh, let's see here. Where we at? 7 minutes. It looks like. I'm trying to figure out. Did I just drive by her? Yeah, I just went by her. 7 minutes behind me. So I'll turn around here and go down. I want to scope out where we can dump the trailer, or where we can park the trailer to. This guy's trying to come out. A couple cars. Trying to get my bearing here with. Yeah, I need to back up here. Was that the right way? Oh, I hate GPS. No, this is the right way. Yeah, as soon as you think, especially when you're going slow, you think you're going right, and then the GPS spins and you're going the wrong way. Yeah, this is the right way. Oh, look at those potholes. It's another big pothole. I'll get up here and I'll be able to hang out. I guess wait for. I can. What can we do? I really need to look at it first. Yeah, we're on 189. I'm coming down from Twin Peaks. I had to turn around. This is the rescue we're trying to do to get it's an elderly couple. They haven't been up since it started. They're kind of wanting to get home. They're real happy. They've been trying to get somebody to help them. But God, they're quoting $3,000 to do driveways. It's like, no. That's gouging. Of course, if you get 4 guys in there and a couple front loaders, it depends on how long the driveway. Some of them are private roads. That's a lot of gas, a lot of hours. Yeah, for some reason I thought they were Cedar Pines Park, but they're she just texted me and said, Lake Arrowhead. Good thing she did. She reminded me that. There's Fern Rock, to give you an idea where I'm at. Fern Rock 189, west side of Lake Arrowhead. Coming down to Daly Canyon. Oh, get over, guy. Oh, man. I didn't have much room there. I thought we were going to clack mirrors. There's a piece of something laying up there. Looks like a fender well. Probably from a chain come loose and beat the fender well up. Yeah, we're here at Grass Valley Road. That was the road I was trying to think of. Grass Valley Road. $5.99 for diesel there at the Shill. Shore Deer Lodge. Yeah, this is where I just came from. Went right by their place. So yeah, I don't know if I'd leave that vehicle hanging out like that. That's gonna get clipped. They're working on the driveway. They're probably trying to keep people from. That was the problem we had. We had to, every time we went to work on a driveway, we had to block the driveway so nobody would pull in there and block us in. Pete was blocking with a Kubota. A couple times he blocked the private drive with a Kubota. There's guys with a snowblower. Boy, you could make some money if you had, be reasonable. And there's so many people that need driveways plowed. And let's see, I gotta go left at Clubhouse. I think this is Clubhouse. And you get down these side streets, it gets kind of narrow. Whoa. Oh, that was the thing on my dash sliding. Man, they got a lot of snow. See that berm broke off right there? That big chunk. Yeah, there's some big chunks that are getting ready to. Hopefully it melts. Because they're gonna have to bring, if a big chunk like that comes off, they're gonna have to bring the plow in again. Or hopefully it'll melt fast. Getting close. We are getting close. And I got cell service, I believe. So Gary can call me. What's that? Oh, there's a boat. There's Sea-Doo. There's something there half buried. Good for the trailer back here, but the problem is turning around or unloading it. Unloading a skid steer. It looks like they're way back in here. I gotta make a right here. Brentwood. Oh, this is the problem. You get down on these little side streets and yeah, it's got a good plow job. There was places in Crestline. Crest Forest, the main, kind of like the main detour road. It was. They had trees down, and they cleared the trees up, but it was some places only one lane wide. It was kind of a sketchy go around. I should have went down to Lake Drive and then back up. They said Lake Gregory though. I haven't been down there yet. They say Lake Gregory's got some spots that are narrow. They're screaming about getting it too wide. Here, see they got the cone blocking trying to keep somebody from going in there. Parents will be good driving in. Yeah, we want to get them home before the storm Tuesday, so if we get it plowed today or tomorrow, they'll be able to come home. Golf carts. Yeah, they're just around this corner. So we could, if we had to, we could unload right there. Or, see there's a skid steer right there. My guy's in a purple Chevy. See, this is the problem, these real secondary streets, some of them I had to back out of. Let's see, they're on the end on the left. So 355, yeah, it's gonna get narrow in here. If we bring the trailer in here. Now I'll call Jeremy and see how he's doing on the bearing, and this is them. Sit right on the corner, so I'm not sure. I don't want to get trapped in these. I can't tell where their driveway is. Hydrant's clear, that's good. That driveway must be on the other side. These are all clear here. Yeah, gonna neck down real fast. Here, we're gonna turn around here. I mean, these streets are tight even without the snow. So if we had to, we could bring that trailer right there even and unload right there. I don't know if you can do it on a hill like that. She said on the corner, 355 is on the left. I'm trying to get an idea where these driveways are. That's crazy. It's got to be that green one. Where's the driveway? Okay, this looks like where somebody's going in here, maybe? This must be the driveway. Yep, I think that is the driveway. I'm gonna shut the video off now. Thanks for watching.